Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go over 5 things that I no longer buy at the store, that I am reducing waste, I am reducing spending money at the store every time I go, and just different things. And it's also better for the environment, and just I like to have cleaner things around my home, and I like to be able to reuse things instead of using it once and throwing them out. If you guys like this kind of video, let me know, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe down below as well. And I have tons of these things, so this is just my first 5 that I thought are super easy replacements and things that everyone uses. I have a million other replacements for different things as well, so let me know. I can do a part 2 of this video, but let's get started. All right, I just have things kind of laid out on my floor here. So the first thing is we've been doing this for years now, is using cloth napkins. I've got a bunch of them, all different like colors, and I have these in blue. This came in an 8-pack, I think, and these are awesome. I got them at Kohl's, I think. They are the Food Network brand, but they're well loved. You can see they probably have some stains on them. Should have grabbed a different one, but we've had them for years, and they do hold up really well. That was, again, not a good example. We use these every single day. We no longer buy the paper napkins. I just feel like there's no reason. I do a load of laundry every single day, so I'm not wasting any more water or any more soap or anything like that by using the cloth napkins. They take up little space. We love to use them. So that's a super easy and inexpensive thing to switch out in your home. And you can use them for different things too. You can wipe things up. You can see this one has a little spot on it. We've used these for years. I have a couple of them in different colors, but these are the ones that we use the most pretty much every night. I have these in blue and then these as well. So have, even just one, I would say 2 per family member. We have 5 people in my family, so I have more than 10, but 10 that we use on a regular basis. So breakfast and lunch sometimes, and then always dinner. So that is the first swap that we made. Second swap is paper towels. I don't use paper towels for hardly anything. I have them on hand if someone is sick, if there's the dog has an accident, something like that, any fecal incidences or vomiting, bodily stuff going on. We use paper towels, but that's very seldom. So I have a bunch of just dish towels. Use them, leave them in the kitchen. If I wipe something up that's sticky or gross, whatever, just chuck it in the laundry. Again, do a load of laundry every day, so there's no reason I can't just put 1 or 2 of these in the laundry with everything else. And the same goes for, I use these little ones too. They're little wash rags, so I use these to wipe the counters. I use the bigger ones to dry dishes and things like that, or lay out on the countertop when I'm washing dishes. But these can be used for anything. We use these for dusting. We use these for wiping up the kitchen counters and the dining room, dusting, anything like that. My next thing, which I was so excited about these when I found them, are these little scrubbies. And they're by Skoy. I found them on Amazon. They were $5.99 for the 2-pack. They clean really, really well. I haven't noticed any issues with scrubbing dishes or getting stains or hard food removed or anything like that. And you just pop them right in the dishwasher. I put them on that little top rack. And so every night when I go to run the dishwasher, I just throw one of these and just cycle them around. Put one of them in the dishwasher, and then I have the other one if I need it again. They were super inexpensive and a super easy swap, and just less waste, which is the whole purpose of all this, right? The next one is dryer balls. I'm obsessed with these. I got a big pack of them again on Amazon for I think $13 or $14. I dropped some of my lavender essential oil in these and put 2 of them in the dryer at a time. And I don't use dryer sheets anymore. This eliminates as long of a dry cycle as my what is it called? Dryer. Shouldn't have been hard to find that one, as my dryer takes, and I don't need any sort of other scents. Or actually, if you watch the show on Netflix, it's called Stink. Dryer sheets are like one of the worst things that are just full of chemicals, so I swapped those out as well. And then this little guy was a present because my parents know how crazy I am about all this stuff, and before we are staying home, I went to work. Worked out of the house, so I would always bring my lunch every day. My parents gave me these little bamboo reusable silverware because I don't use plastic silverware, but I would take silverware from my house, and I was like, I'm gonna lose one of these, or I'm gonna forget it, or you know, and then I don't have a complete set for my house. So they found these, which I believe were on Amazon. I'll try to find everything and link it down below, but I have 2 sets of these. They're same silverware, just a little different pattern. And can you tell I have a theme? I like lots of blues and reds, apparently. Blues and reds are my color. But these are awesome. They wash really well. I just use them, I hand wash them unless I use it for something, you know, just because they're bamboo, so I don't know if they'll break down over time, but I just hand wash them. It takes 2 seconds just to wash them, and then I let them dry, and then they come in this little pouch. Easy peasy. So that's everything. So we have instead of paper towels, we use the wash rags. Instead of napkins, we use the cloth napkins. Instead of dryer sheets, we use the dryer balls. Instead of buying sponges, we have the little reusable, washable sponges. And instead of plastic silverware, you have the little reusable to-go silverware. And it's just so cute. This is way cuter than one of those little plastic bags that you get when you get takeout or something like that. So I always just say, if I get anything, I say, I don't need any silverware. I have my own, so that way they're not wasting it and I don't have to then dispose of it. So cute. And that is all I have. If you guys like this kind of video or want to know more swaps and different things that I have done throughout my house over the last year or so to be a little bit cleaner, to not have as many chemicals in the house, and just try to control what I can control, because there's so many things outside of the walls of my house that my children are going to be exposed to and my family is going to be exposed to, and that's fine. I can't control everything, but I can control what happens in my house. So the less chemicals and things like that, the better, because then, you know, like I said, you can't control everything. So I hope you guys like this kind of video. If you did, please subscribe and comment down below and let me know if you want to see a part 2 to this video, and I can give you 5 more things that I have swapped out around my house instead of buying. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe.